Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Krishna Gopal and we are in the part 5 for in our playlist. In this part we are going to discuss about the pre-processing step, what we are going to do the data cleaning which we needed to further move in our case study. In the last video we have discussed about the n-grams where we need to know we have to be perform the now the data pre-processing step. But let's understand the basic, let's understand the few points before performing the data cleaning in our case study. So what is the data pre-processing? First, it is actually a method to convert your text into analyzable and structure format so that we can perform the analysis, so that we can make machine learning models which can help us to classify our tweets in our case, or which can reduce the dimension in our modeling. So that's the reason we need to perform the data pre-processing. But how we perform the data pre-processing, why do we need to perform data pre-processing? As I told, it is basically you convert your text data into the analyzable and the structure format. So to perform the data cleaning, what we need two things. We need the domain knowledge, what the problem we are solving, for what the problem we are cleaning the data set. Another thing we need the approach. What are the approaches we have to be follow to clean the data? For an example, suppose you are handling the data set which having the computer programming languages, say the C, say the C++, and you are doing the stop words removal there to clean the data. So there you should be very conscious to remove the word C or C++, because they are the two important languages for the computer science, but they are actually a stop word. But you should be careful to remove their stop words including C or C++ or not. That's your reason. That means you should need a domain knowledge what we are doing. Suppose we are handling the tweet data set which we are going to be predict the disaster or non-disaster. So we should have a domain knowledge, like how to clean the tweet. Like tweet have a lot of emoji, tweet have a lot of what to tell the HTML text, so how to clean that things. So that's the different steps we have to do the data cleaning. So next move, what are the common data pre-processing techniques we have? We have a lot of the techniques, but it's depend on the problem to problem which technique you have to be follow. You did for one case study, you can't perform the same data pre-processing through the another case study, because as I gave you an example. So it's basically depend on your task, what the task you are going to be performed. So basically, what if we talk about the common what the techniques we should make our sentence into the lowercase. Why we need to make the lowercasing? Because suppose I am searching the word Canada and it start with the capital C, but I am writing the C, small c. So how I will get, because it's not match with its index. So that's the reason I should make our all the letters in the small word, that is called as lowercasing. So lowercase is very helpful if you are handling the problem related to the search engine, because in the search engine many people write in the lowercase, so it also should match your index. So that's the reason we should do the lowercasing. Another, if you see the stop words removal, actually what are the stop words? So stop words have no contextual meaning. So the words which have no contextual meaning, we should be removed from our data set. Say we have a tweet, so we should be removed. Suppose I have an example, I like reading, so I read, but there is no contextual meaning for the I and so. So after remove the stop words, I get in the word like reading, read. So that's the things I will get by doing the stop word. Another common practice that's known as the stemming and lemmatization. They are the most popular techniques. And what do you understand with the word stemming? In the short introduction, if I tell, it is try to be convert the word into the root word. Here the root word means in the canonical form of the original word. It tried to be reduce the inflection in the words, and it is very useful when we are handling with the sparse data set. Same, what is a lemmatization? Lemmatization is also the process similar to your stemming, but it convert in the actual root word. That means that root word is matched with the vocabulary, because it use the morphological analysis of the words. Say better, so better is convert with replace with good. Rocks, it replace with rock. So that is the lemmatization work. But stemming and lemmatization both are like the trade, we have to be do the trade-off, like which one we need to be follow. We should apply the lemmatization or we should apply the stemming. NLTK is one package in the Python which provides us the two beautiful algorithm for the stemming, that are the known as the portrait stemmer and the snowball stemmer. So basically, if I given a short introduction, the what is the portrait stemmer, it basically think to remove the suffix from the word or not. So many times what will happen, we remove the suffix, but we lose our plural sentence in the English. So most of the time it will be advisable to use the snowball, and both are come under the NLTK package. So it's very easy to use in the Python. So next, what the cleaning step come, it's come the noise removal. We have a tweet data set, we have a lot of noise, like we have an HTML text, we have an emoji, we have to be remove it with the help of the regex. We have to be clean about the tweets. So that are the basically the most common data pre-processing techniques we have, and we'll learn why we need to do the data pre-processing and what are the steps. And in the next video we will be implement these all the techniques in our data set with an example. So let's watch the next video for this, and I hope you understand the data pre-processing technique. If you have any doubt, please let me know and I will clear your doubt. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks and a lot. Bye.